So here we are outside of one of the Cherokee Destination Black Labels, or Timberwolf Black Labels, if you will. They have a fiberglass exterior with solid surface countertops on the inside. They have a removable solid step on the outside. Of course, they still have the steps on each entrance and exit. Another great thing about these campers, nice big awning on the exterior with speakers and a TV mount on the outside here. On the interior, they have a nice residential style fireplace and TV mount, so it gives you that cozy home feeling about everything. Nice modern interior, laminate floors, awesome campers. They're really nice to look at. They're awesome to walk through, and when you have all your friends over, they're going to be talking about you and your camper that they just visited all the time, and they're going to be super jealous of you. So come take a peek at them here at RV Wholesalers, watch our walkthrough videos, and come get one put in your name.